If you are afraid of sandbathing, this trip is highly recommended. All experiences on this trip are in the Khayma camp. You will be taken to ride a camel upon arrival, and you can experience it again before dinner. When riding camels, the camel people will use our mobile phones to take photos for us. We can also buy photos taken by photographers. You can also ask for the price of digital photos for 50 Emirati dirhams per photo. There will be 2 performances before dinner starts, followed by a buffet-style dinner. Welcome to search, left magnifying glass emoji, 009 John plus Dubai to find our experience videos and travel information emoji, will be released soon. Search 009 John on YouTube and dig. The pickup tour guide Tariq is a kind and attentive person, and he contacted us in advance and picked us up at the hotel on time. Because the entire trip was in English, he saw that we were Chinese-speaking tourists and thoughtfully slowed down his speech and carefully informed us of the rules and regulations about what we could participate in. Thank you very much. This itinerary is different from the excitement of sand surfing and sandboarding. It is a relaxing itinerary that allows you to interact. Everything was at the highest level. Transfer there and back. The guide is very friendly. Individual walk for 2 in the desert. Along the way, the escort helped take so many photos and videos and was very professional. Next, they offered very tasty, very fresh traditional Arabic food and fruits, coffee and tea prepared on hot stone. The kids get very motion sick, so we chose camel trekking instead of dune bashing, but I think we made the right choice. The guide, Lucky, was friendly. He came early to pick us up, and the person who pulled the camel was also very nice. I'm sorry I don't remember his name. The guide and the 2 of them are so passionate about photography that they took pictures. I can't help saying that this was one of my favorite trip. Thanks to the agent arranged the whole schedule. I tried the safari, camel riding, and tasted delicious food. The shows in the camp were impressive. They also offered telescope to let you see the Saturn, and the tour guide William was nice and informative. Campsite and dessert was explained and pickup was prompt. Abundant choice of buffet which was delicious, and unlimited water and soft drinks, date and coffee and some other traditional snacks was a huge plus. Camel ride was good. Splendid. 1. You need to book at least 2 people to make an order. 2. You need to download WhatsApp in advance. After you make an order, a group of business accounts will contact you the day before departure. On the day of departure, the tour guide will contact you again to confirm. The heat is unbearable, and the camel leader will help take a lot of photos during the process. The photography skills are great for. There are many types of food,